Well, after the principal opposition in Haryana, the INLD accused Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh of being involved in the cash for change of land use scam. Huda called for probe by the Lokayukta, but the opposition has called the probe a complete eyewash and is now demanding for an independent probe.
The Huda government continues to face heat over the cash for change of land use scam. Facing opposition wrath, the government was forced to order a probe under the state Lokayukta. But the INLD has now called the move an eyewash.
हमने पहले दिन ही इस बात की मांग करी थी कि हम तो हाई कोर्ट के सिटिंग जज से इसकी इंक्वायरी चाहते हैं। लोकायुक्त को इंक्वायरी दे करके उस पर लिपापोती करने का काम कर रहे हैं। मुख्यमंत्री को तो आज जांच की बात करते हैं, कल जांच की बात इसलिए करी मुख्यमंत्री को जब हमने कहा कि हम कोर्ट में जाएंगे।
The INLD had released videos involving several state government leaders caught on tape, allegedly asking for bribe for licenses to develop land. But Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Huda defends his government.
जो लोग हमारे पावर होनी चाहिए उनके पास पावर है। जो शॉर्टेज रिपोर्ट दी है असेंबली में उन्होंने रिपोर्ट दी है अभी कल को 2012-13 की, उन्होंने कहा है कि मेरे पास स्टाफ नहीं है, मुझे क्या कोई स्टाफ की कोई कमी होगी तो हम करेंगे पूरी।
However, the state Lokayukta himself had admitted in a report that the institution of Lokayukta needed to be empowered in the state.
I have written to the government that in order to make this act more effective and strong, an amendment is required whereby power should be given to the Lokayukta to initiate action so motu. Had this power been there in the act, then certainly it will be a more effective and strong act.
The opposition has used the report to attack the Huda government and has said that they will move courts to seek action against the government.
While the government has chosen to hand over the investigation of the case to the Lokayukta, the opposition is unwavering on its demand of investigation by an independent agency. The INLD has alleged that the government wanted to put the case on the back burner by giving it to the Lokayukta, who himself was fighting it for more powers. In Chandigarh, Shamsher Kath for Times Now.